Once you've got MongoDB community downloaded, you can start the installation process. I will just right click the MSI file and start installing it. Just press the next button, accept the terms in the license agreement, and I'm going to install the complete version. Now you can choose the options as you find appropriate. I will go with the default options selected. Uh, you can run MongoDB as a service and as a network service user. So I'll select that. The service name, I'll leave it as MongoDB. The two important file paths to note are the data directory paths and the log directory path. Basically, these are the folder structures where your data and your log files for MongoDB will be stored by default. Now I'll leave all of these options as they are for now, but in the later videos, I'll create my own data directory and log directory and a MongoDB service which I would use to demonstrate the functionalities of MongoDB in the future. So you can use these settings if you just want to get started, but my plan is to create an entire replica set, and for that I will manually create a MongoDB service in the future and also the data and the log folders. So we'll just start installing with the settings which are default. You can also install MongoDB Compass, which is a client tool which you can use to manage Mongo database. And also, if you want to carry out any queries in the future, you can use this tool. I will ignore it for the time being. If you want to install it, you can install that. And I'll just press the next button and MongoDB will start installing.